Good morning, students. So, children, today in EVS we will do lesson number 5, clothes I need. Okay, though already we were doing this lesson, but today we'll do the next part of it. So, all of you with me, take out page number 26. But before that, let's do the recap of what we have done. Clothes. See, children, we all need clothes to cover our body and to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, and dust. Then we have seen different types of clothes worn by men, women, and children. Okay, now these clothes we wear according to the weather and occasion. Then we have seen that in winter season we wear clothes made of wool. So in winter season we all need woolen clothes, and the reason is because woolen clothes keep us warm. Then we have seen during summer. Okay, in summer season we wear cotton clothes. Now again, the reason why do we wear cotton clothes, it's because cotton clothes keeps our body cool on hot. Then during rainy season or when it rains, we use raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. These protect us from getting wet. So this was all we have seen. Now today, children, we all are in page 26. Take out page 26 with me. And now let's see, from where do we get clothes from. So the types of clothes and the clothes we get from. First it is cotton plant. Can you see the picture, children? Cotton plant. We get cotton from where? Cotton plants. Now cotton balls are used to make cotton clothes. Now what do we need to make cotton clothes? Cotton balls. Now where do we get cotton balls from? Cotton plant. So these cotton clothes, when do we wear? During summer season to keep us cool. So we get cotton balls from cotton plant. And with this cotton balls we make cotton clothes. Now come to wool. Can you see the picture of wool here? Sorry, sheep. So we get wool from sheep, angora, goats and camels. So these are the animals from where do we get wool. Now hair of these animals are used to make wool. Okay, so with with these wool we make woolen clothes, and woolen clothes are used in winters because woolen clothes they keep our body warm. Now the next is silk clothes. Okay, now we have to find it out that from where do we get silk clothes. We get from silkworms. Okay, and we get silk from silkworms. Can you see the picture here? This is the silkworm, children. And we get silk from silkworm, and silk clothes, they look shiny and smooth, and moreover they are very expensive also. Silk clothes. So today we have seen three different types of what uh, three different types of clothes and from where we get them, the clothes. Okay, cotton plant, then sheep, then silkworm. Silkworm, we get silk, then wool from sheep, other animals also like angora, goats and camels, then cotton from cotton plants. So today this much is enough, and then tomorrow again we'll be continuing the same lesson. Okay, so for your homework, children, with me take out page number 28. Page 28. Here in book only, exercise A, match the following clothes with their names. Okay, can you see? Okay, first it is, okay, now in the box their name of some clothes are written, and then you have to match these names with those clothes. For example, pullover, trousers, shorts, skirt, shawl, t-shirt, raincoat and gloves. Okay, so now pullover, the word pullover, you have to match it with the picture pullover, then trouser, shorts, skirt, then shawl, t-shirt, raincoat and then gloves. Okay, now come to exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the help of the box given. Now in the box again some answers are given and you have to write these answers in the correct blank. Okay, first it is summer, heat, umbrella, neck and sheep. Now the first statement is number 1, we wear muffler around our dash. So the answer is summer, heat, it is neck. Your answer is neck. You will write neck. Then number 2, we get wool from sheep. Yes. Then number 3, we wear cotton clothes in dash. When do we wear cotton clothes? Summer, yes. Then number 4 is clothes protect our body from dash, cold and rain. So in blank you will write heat, H-E-A-T, heat. Now come to 5. Raincoat and dash protect us from getting wet. So your answer is umbrella. You'll get it from the box answer. Okay. So write here umbrella. Okay. So now for today you will do these two exercises, exercise A and B, in book only. Okay, so till then take care, be good, and tomorrow again we all will be meeting. Stay home, stay safe.